Halo.
Ya, diba? Walang sawang subway pag nasa airport. So, waiting for boarding na lang. 2 hours flight from here to Brunei. And then, when we get there, Friday night, so we have enough time to rest mga 4 days for the competition. So, Tuesday you start, juniors, and then Wednesday for us seniors, and then Thursday for team. So, yeah, big day competition for SCAF. Malapit. Grocery! Medyo mahal. Yung banana. $3.40. So, mga isang ganyan, ilang peraso na yung mga 6. For mga 6 pieces, 180 pesos. Parang mahal na. Mahal? Yeah, medyo mahal ang cost of living. But we have to live. Ano nabili niyo?
Ayaw ko putok eh.
Ha?
Ayaw ko putok.
Bakit? Bulala. Lactel.
Take two. Tell fat-free yogurt. Mixed berries.
Mixed berries. Where's that?
Mixed two berries.
Lactel. It's a Sunday today. Medyo free day. We're having for rehab today and mobility. I unpack my things again kasi kagabi ang mga 12 midnight or past 1 AM ata kami dumating sa hotel. So, tulog na agad yun. So, ay nakapag-unpack na ako konti. Diba? Weigh-in day today. Kami waiting. Naghahanap sila ng training venue. Plancha time for my kimono. Kailangan talaga siya ng planchahin. Plancha!
Pero ano, hindi coach or official.
Shannon! So, Ayusin ko na yung for competition ko tomorrow. Competition things. So, maayos naman siya. I mean, nagplan siya lang ako ng mga kimono kahapon. Tapos ayusin ko lahat ngayon dito sa maleta. Natuto na ako magmaleta kasi ang bigat nga naman pag backpack na malaki sa shoulder. So, yun. Maleta and a small bag. Ayun. So, ayusin ko lang ngayon. Lahat ng mga kailangan ko for tomorrow. Wish me luck. Andito na yung mga kimono ko. Andito yung kimono. Tapos, andito sa kabila yung isang kimono, isang color. I think ito ay red. So, yan. Yan. So, dito yung mga pang warm up and change of clothes. Ito yung sa maleta. So, ito yung isang bag. ID, don't forget! So, day 3. Anong boses? Say hello.
Shout out!
Shout out. Saan? Wala. Ayan sila. Wala na siyang voice.
Hindi, meron pa.
Ha? Ha? Ha?
Ano po? I feel grateful.
Hello. Shout out to my mom
Drone to
and my
drone.
dad. Shout out to my mom and my dad and to my brother out there. If you're watching this, I love you.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe.
Malayo ka masyado. This video. Yes. Dinner after the compet. Ayan ang lahat na kinain namin. Ayan silang lahat. Ayan sila. Morning po. Coach.
Hi ma'am, good morning.
Morning po.
Ba't nandyan kami?
Okay na meron ako.
Please subscribe to Ma'am Rix. Please subscribe. Hello. Subscribe to Ma'am Rix. Follow her Facebook.
Facebook.
Mabigyan po kami ni Kuya Ian.
EA? Ano yan?
Tapos maganda.
Welcome po to Centro Rizal. This is the cultural center of the Embassy of the Republic of the Philippines here in Brunei. So it's basically a library open to the public, both Filipinos and Bruneians. Nation. Yung Brunei, ganyan din sila, no? Nakapag-tour ba kayo, sir?
Hindi po.
Kasi they have a waterfront where they live on stilt houses. Very similar sa atin, sa Philippines. No?
So, gift. We're here sa Embassy ng Philippines, Brunei. So, nag-tour kami. Yun naman daw.
Proud ako na meron tayo.
Coach ko nila, ma'am.
Ah, kayo po ba? Nice to meet you, sir.
Bale.
Sorry po. Hi, kamusta po? So thank you. I'm glad you're able to take time to come and see us. I'm very happy to have you.
Thank you.
Ano yung kayo? Relax.
Kasi ang painting habang tumatagal, tumataas yung value. Pag tumatanda yung artist o naging national artist or ginawa ng CCP, cultural center, tumataas yung value.
Cute. Sorbetes.
Wait lang po natin yung next
Manila. Manila.
in the event and proceed to the nearest exit. Please take the nearest current lot.
Embassy here in Brunei, Darussalam. So I'm Ambassador Roy.
We'll call on the second batch of winners. Bronze medal in senior female kata, Rebecca Torres. In -66.